Bruh. I will treat him. Go find another patient.
No, I will treat him.
No, I said it first. Now shoo.
I don't care.
How did I
Oh,
clearly
hello.
gave IT first WTF. Hey, can I get the coffee? My stamina is 20%.
Oh, sorry. I saw your chat too late.
It's no worries. I'll wait for the next one. Who took the coffee again? That was supposed to be for me. Guys, please let me get the next one because I might die. I'm losing my sanity. Bruh.
Oopsie daises.
Hello friend, may I have a
Frappuccino, cappuccino, mocha, espresso, iced tea, latte, and a fizzo. Flatbread sandwich with a panini, some kind of salad, not too many calories. Cake pop brownie and a cookie, donut muffin and a Rice Krispie. Sweet tea, lemonade and a smoothie, white chocolate mocha and a croissant.
Of course you come as soon as I finish the coffee. Well, you'll have to wait like 3 minutes since the coffee is still brewing. Here you go, Barney.
You better watch out. I don't like being refused.
He disappeared, but I think I lost him. NVM. Can this stupid ghost just leave me alone already? PRO.
That was your fault. You killed him.
Can't you see I was already clearly doing the surgery here and then you decided to interfere?
IDC.
Dude, what was that for? Why did you do that?
I don't know.